and welcome to this second episode of the ongoing construction of a 5-bedroom flat-roofed Maisonette seated on a 50 by 100 plot of land in Kitengela, Optiven, Victory Garden, and currently it is 5 months old. Stay with me as I take you through the process of its completion, which will be in a month's time. My name is Terry Njoini. As you can see, there's a lot of work going on here. This here is the soak pit for the biodigester, which is currently under construction. This is the entrance of the house. On my right, I have sample patterns from which we will choose the best for the outside of the house. Now walk with me as I take you through the inside of the house. Welcome to the lounge, which extends from the entrance door all the way to the exit door to the backyard. As you can see, there's a lot going on here, which includes the decorative gypsum work and electricity work, and also skimming. There's a lot to expect from this house, so stay with me in the future episodes as I will take you through all that we will be doing. I am in the lounge, and to my left is the first guest bedroom, a common bathroom and a common toilet. Remember, this is a 5-bedroom Maisonette, and on my far right, I am heading to the second guest bedroom, which is self-contained. This here is the exit door that is leading to the backyard. And here we will have a minibar just under the staircase. From the lounge, welcome to the open kitchen. Kindly stay with me to see how much we are going to do in this kitchen of ours. This here is a breakfast table that is connecting us to the dining area. This is the dining area, which we have ensured to put enough light thanks to these beautiful sliding aluminium windows, so that we will ensure there will be maximum light in this dining area. Now heading for the first floor. This here is the staircase railing, and once we are done, we will do a finishing with a mahogany handrail, and for the stairs we will do a 3D epoxy finish. This is a huge staircase window to ensure maximum lighting. We are now on the first floor, and this is the well spacious landing for the first floor. And there is an aluminium sliding door that is leading us to the common balcony. We have the second bedroom, which is also self-contained, and a control room next to it. Welcome to the most important part of this house, which is the master bedroom. As you can see, it is very, very spacious. Right here, we have the walk-in closet, which is leading us to the master bathroom. So in this master bedroom, we have this sliding aluminium door that is bringing us to the master balcony. You can just see how big it is, and we are going to do some nice finishing here. We'll put a swing, we will put planters here. Stay with me in the coming episode. Now, this is the final part of our house, which is the rooftop. As you can see, it is very, very spacious to accommodate outdoor activities. And with us here, we have our engineers that are checking on the level of this rooftop to ensure effective drainage for the rooftop. We also have these grills over here for the kids, so that they can have a nice view of the outside. Then on my far left, we have a barbecue. And this one here is a bar, which is connected with a kitchenette and has a balcony of its own on this other side. And now we have come to the end of our episode. I am currently on the front side of this house, built with design key for the I Am Assured experience. Until next time, share, like, and subscribe.